Okay, so this is the chimney starter. It will come with the handle, the heat shield, and 2 screws. So with the heat shield, see the little grooves in the handle there? You're just going to slide the heat shield into there and into there. Okay, so that sits like that. And then one screw, there's a little bolt, so the one screw will go through the top into the other nut behind it. So that unscrews from there. This goes in. Oops. Very small screws. And then it just goes into there. And then from here, the nut goes on that side. And you can tighten that up with a screwdriver, and it's just the same thing at the bottom. So you attach both at the bottom. And I'll just do that really quick here. Line up the holes. And it helps to flip it over. There it is. Tighten that up. And then you just want to tighten these up with a screwdriver just to make sure they're nice and tight. So this, you don't want this to come off when you have hot coals in it. And then you're done. So that's it. Very simple process. Thank you.